News at west.com. See you back there tonight.
On our broadcast tonight, the showdown. Here we go now. 2 days to go until the first presidential debate. The stakes are high. That's why the intense preparations are underway to prevent a mistake that could change the race. At the brink, Americans killed in a deadly new attack in Afghanistan. As tonight, we bring you our special coverage of a region in turmoil.
One more.
Tonight, Richard Engel and Lester Holt
Okay, maybe
in
2 bites.
Afghanistan and Ann Curry inside Syria.
Oh!